Hello friends, in this tutorial we will learn about Python syntax, and in this video I'm going to cover how to execute Python syntax, Python indentation, Python variables, Python comments. So now we will discuss about execute Python syntax. As we learned in the previous video, Python syntax can be executed by writing directly in the command line, like cmd. Open command line here and type Python. Uh, Open idle here. Sorry, open idle here. Idle here and just type print and put it comma and type hello world and close it and press enter. Now see, its output is typing hello world here. Now see, or you can also creating Python file on server using .python file extension and running it in from command line, right? Like cm open command from cmd and type Python and my file .py. By this way you can execute your Python files. Now we will talk about Python indentation. What is Python indentation? As you indentation refers to the space at beginning of the code line, where in other programming languages the indentation in code is for readability only, and the indentation in Python is very important. Python uses indentation to indicate a block of code, like just let me open notepad or just open idly. And how you can create a Python file from here, just click on new files, and here you can use if p greater than 5, sorry, if 5 greater than 3, print this number is same, print 5 is greater number, 5 is greatest number, right? So here you can see this space is called indentation for Python, right? Because if cannot give Python a space here, indentation here, if we cannot give a space here, then it will, when I run this program, then it will give me an error for indentation. We need to save it first. mm, demo demo 02. Now see, expected and intended block. It asking for block. If we not give here a space and click save and then click run, then it also asking for a space. If we give a space, one space, and then running it, then now see, it's run. It's successfully run and showing the result here. So indentation is a block of, is a space to indicate the block of code. Got it? Now Python will give you an error if you skip the indentation, right? That is called syntax error. The number of space is up to you as a programmer, but it has to be at least one, right? So at least one space should be there, otherwise it will give you an error. Now save and click on run and play. Press 5 F5 or run. Now see it's right. You have to use same number of spaces in the same block of code. Otherwise, Python will give you an error. Okay, uh, like like this. Give if we cannot give same number of space, then it will show an error. Now see unexpected indent. So indent is very important. Oh, I think I have closed the utility. So it will be same number of ident, otherwise it will give an error. Now Python variable. In Python, variables are created when assign a value to it. In Python, variable is very simple and anyone can assign variables. And it's very simple to assign any variables. Like x is equal to 5, is x is equal to 5, y is equal to 4, right? And z is equal to कहते हैं x plus y, right? And print z. That's it. Now it will print the result. Now see, it's printing 9. So in Python, assigning a variable is very easy. Python has no command for declaring a variables. You will learn more about variables in Python variables videos. Now comment. Python has commenting capability for the purpose of in code documentation. Comments start with the hash. Comment start with the hash and will render the rest of line as a comment, right? Write write a program to add two number. I'm going to put here. Now see and save it and run it. Now see Python will not print. Now printing results only. So in Python you can use a comment with hash sign. So thanks for watching. We will come with the next chapter. By then, thank you. Bye bye.